about how can you remove ads on your AVG AntiVirus app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you just click here on sorry, when you just click here on account here, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on remove ads, click on it, then come to next step here. So then just switch into open video like this, and here can you select yearly or monthly here, then you click here on continue. So then add, so when you just click here on continue, then it's going to show for you list to add your debit card. So firstly you have to get problem here to get this. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by